fry it, or bake it. Very tasty. Keema Samosa. Let's make it together. Use minced meat of your choice, chicken, mutton or beef, but the red meat always gives the best flavor. First, make a spice mix. 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 10 cloves, 2-inch pieces of cinnamon sticks, 1½ teaspoons of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of cumin, and 2 tablespoons of whole coriander seeds. Grind it little bit. We need coarsely ground spice mix. It will look like this. Set aside. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add 500 grams of minced meat. We are using chicken. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now cook on medium heat for about 5 minutes. When the meat changes its color, add 1/4 cup of water. Cover and cook on low heat for 10 minutes until the meat is tender. After that, cook on medium heat until the excess water evaporates. Now add 2 cups of chopped onions, 2 tablespoons of chopped green chilies, 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro, and 1/4 cup of chopped mint. Now add the spice mix. Mix it on medium heat for 5 minutes. Adjust the salt according to your taste. Switch off the heat and transfer it to the bowl. Make slurry by adding 1/4 cup of flour and 1 cup of water. Mix it and heat it in microwave for 20 seconds. Mix it one more time. Our slurry is ready. Now separate the samosa pastry sheets and keep covering it with the damp kitchen towel. Now let's move to the fun part, assembling the samosas. Wrap them according to package instructions. First, take a sheet and fold it into a cone shape. Now, fill the cone with the filling, but don't overstuff. Apply the slurry on the edges. Fold over the top edge to seal it tightly, ensuring no filling splits out. Fill all the pastries the same way. Don't worry if it's not perfect, we just need to seal it properly. And there you go, samosas are ready for frying. The little pockets of flavor. At this point we can easily freeze them for later use. Let's air fry some of it. Spray some olive oil over it. Bake it for 20 minutes, flip halfway through. Fry few samosas. Heat all in a pan on medium-low to medium heat. Keep flipping and stirring. Fry until crispy and golden. This usually takes about 4 to 5 minutes. Let it rest for a few minutes. Take out the samosas from the air fryer. Look at these, how beautiful and perfect. And there you have it. Crispy, crunchy, and full of flavor. Enjoy with some Raita and Tamarind chutney. The recipe for the chutney is already posted on our channel. Let me know in the comments what your favorite dipping sauce for samosas is. These samosas are perfect for a snack, appetizer, or even a party treat. And of course it is everyone's favorite in Ramadan. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.